friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's Chicken Shu Mai dumplings in the air fryer. To cook dumplings in the air fryer, I use a technique where I put 1/4 cup of very hot water in the air fryer. So I heated up this water in a microwave before making this video. The water helps the dumplings steam instead of being hard as a rock. So it's super helpful. So let's take out the air fryer basket. So it only works with this type of the air fryer that has basket with holes. I'm going to pour 1/4 cup of very hot water, and the water goes through the hole so it will end up on the bottom. So if you have a different air fryer, don't do it. I just know that it works for this kind. I don't know if it works for another type. So now I'm going to open up the package of Chicken Shu Mai. These dumplings are frozen. No need to defrost, air fry. They'll cook them straight from frozen. And now let's put Chicken Shu Mai in the air fryer in a single layer. So I just like to flip them over so the side where you can see the filling is on top. So that's how they're supposed to be. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 9 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this delicious chicken shumai. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. So let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. So good. And now that dipping sauce was included in the package, and while the chicken shumai dumplings were cooking, I just put the packet in some warm tap water. So now it was fully defrosted while they were cooking. And all I need to do is just pour it on a little cup for dipping. Goes so well with these dumplings. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying them. So just take a dumpling and dip it in a sauce. It tastes so delicious. The filling is so flavorful, perfectly heated through, and the outside dough, it tastes like steamed with a little crisp from air frying, perfect texture. So this whole trick with putting water on the bottom of the air fryer really allows to cook dumpling properly. You try it, you will love it. They taste so good, so easy to make. And my website has so many similar recipes for the air fryer and lots of Trader Joe's products. Please check it out, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!